What is up, you guys? Happy Saturday. And I know this looks horrible, Tom. It's supposed to look horrible. So what we went ahead and did, as you can see by the surface, as you can tell probably right here on this edge, what we've done is we just used a little sanding disc, okay? 220. You can use the ones without the holes. This just happens to be the only one we have right now. So we'll have to get some more of those. But check it out. We went ahead and did this right here. I'm going to show you down here on this end that we ain't done, plus the edge. It's very crucial. So come on down this way, Tom. I've stopped right here. The sink portion's done, all around the back side, all that stuff, it doesn't matter. This is all I'm doing. I just want to sit here and scuff this up really good. It don't take long. That's what you're looking for right there. We're going to scuff this up real good because it's going to, a couple things it's going to do for us. Number one, it's going to get anything poking at me. Anything. Just a smidge, little bubble, just a little anything. Anything sticking up, it's going to get that knocked down back flat so it don't get caught in the flood coat. Also, this is going to make, it's going to make for a really nice strong bond to that flood coat. So that's exactly why you want to do this. Really, do not skip this right here. Especially when you're getting ready to pour out all that resin on a flood coat. Do not skip this. It doesn't take much. Yep, come on around here, Tom. Because the surface is, pretty self-explanatory. All right, but the edge, the reason I like using these and not like a sanding block or something like that, okay? Because we take them and we fold them to the shape of the counter. So I'm going to start out, oops, and look, you can get that middle by going back and forth. This is how I get this real good. Gonna get that front edge, look at that guy. Squeaky clean. When I get here in the corner, look, I'm gonna go ahead, I'll finish this right here. You just seen what I did. You need to do that to the top, all the way around. I even do that to the sink cutout because again, I don't want nothing in here that I can feel with my finger tripping it up in the flood coat. When it comes to this corner right here, this is such a tight radius. I don't want these holes in it, okay? Preferably if you have one with no holes. We had some, we don't have any more, but preferably if you have one with no holes, that way it doesn't get caught as you're turning. But what you want to do is you want to take this guy right here, right at the edge, fold him in some, and I'm just trying to get this little crease. I'm not worried about the whole edge. I don't want any black there in that center crease, see, like that. Then once you get it to that point, you can kind of scoot into it like I'm doing, and then you can go back to how we was doing over there. And then you just switch it. Just like that. That's what you're looking for. take your finger, just rub it in there just to make sure everything's real nice and like it's supposed to be. Now we're gonna switch over. We're gonna get some isopropyl. We use 91% isopropyl. We're gonna spritz all this. I'm gonna take a dry cloth first, and I'm gonna get some of this film off. Then I'm gonna come back with a clean rag, isopropyl. I'll show you. We're gonna spray this, get it real good and clean. All right, you guys, so look, we cleaned all that off with a clean microfiber towel, okay? It looks clean, okay? I can rub my hand across it, I don't see the film, but it's still not clean yet. So that's what the isopropyl is for. Ours is 91%, okay? 91% is the purity, basically, of the isopropyl. For instance, isopropyl is, in a sense, rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol generally is like 70% alcohol and about 30% water. So this is very high strength, high potent. You do not want to sit here and be breathing this stuff in. I see a lot of people online spraying, and I know we're in a pretty good sized room. Me and Tom can get a whiff of that vape. It is not good. You do not want to inhale none of this 91% isopropyl, so make sure to put a mask on. No joke. Keep everybody safe. So look, I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration here, a little bit right here on the surface and how we get this edge, and then we're going to finish cleaning this and bring y'all right back so we can start this flood coat. I want to try to save some video time. So look, I want to hit that edge kind of first, and you'll see right in front of me, it kind of automatically disappears. All right, I want this good and clean. So there you go. You're going to get some of that to come back. It's fine. And you'll notice that it's so squeaky clean that it's kind of hard to move sometimes. There you go. That's what we're looking to do. I'm going to continue on with this edge real quick. You're just looking to get all that dust and debris off. So look, my edges are done. That surface over there, we're going to save a little video time, and I'm going to finish cleaning this, but it's just like this. Exactly like what I'm doing. Get the piece real good and squeaky clean. We'll bring you right back and start the flood coat.